You're going to love the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.